I think Mr. Shama Prasad Sadanandan has been waiting quite a while. He's taken the time off to be with us all the way from Ireland. A little about him. We are really grateful for his presence here. He has done his graduation from St. Joseph's College in Bangalore and then a medical records management course from CMC in Vellore. This has led him to the King Khalid University Hospital in Riyadh, where he was the assistant director of the Department of Medical Records. He has also added to his credentials by completing the hospital administration course from Dublin in Ireland and is a certified network marketer from the University of Illinois in Chicago. That's America. He is an HNH elite and an avid singer. We thank Shama, who is presently in Ireland, for honoring us with his presence despite the time differences and gracing this occasion with his melodious voice. Mr. Shama, over to you. If you're still with us. Thank you so much, Mr. Shama. Lovely to see you all. Thank you so much for waiting.
Wonderful introduction.
Thank you so much for waiting and sorry for the inconvenience.
No.
I
It's
know
my
the
pleasure. When
the
Rubina
time
ji
is.
is there, means I don't mind spending hours and hours of of my time. That's so big because I'm so attached to her. Only I'm so privileged and honored to be amidst this illustrious group. And let me tell you, sir, I'd be presenting a wonderful Malayalam classical song. And since it is in Malayalam, let me say a few words about the song. When Mr. Kashif Ali Khan met Rubina Ali for the first time, what was your feeling? That's what I'm going to describe here. Okay.
Thank you so much. Much
I'm
appreciated.
just going to describe a ravishing Rubina Khan. Okay.
Okay. All it's all stage is all yours. The stage
Yeah,
is
with
all
everyone's
yours.
permission, let me try, please. അഷ്ടമി പൂത്തിങ്കളേ അഷ്ടമി പൂത്തിങ്കളേ എൻ അനുരാഗ മലർത്തിങ്കളേ എൻ അഷ്ടമി പൂത്തിങ്കളേ നടയിൽ നിന്നടയിൽ നടന കേളിതൻ തിരനോട്ടം ഉടലിൽ പൂടലിൽ ഉദ്യാനലക്ഷ്മി തൻ വിളയാട്ടം അഷ്ടമിപ്പൂത്തിങ്കളേ നിൻപദ തളിരിൻ താളലയങ്ങളിൽ നിറപൗർണമിയുടെ കളിയാട്ടം നിൻമിഴീതളിൽ രാഗമനോഹര നീലിമ കൊണ്ടൊരു മയിലാട്ടം നിന്നധരങ്ങളിൽ ഉതിരും പുഞ്ചിരി നീളെ വിരിക്കും കതിരോട്ടം നിൻ കവിളിണയിൽ സ്വർഗസുധാരസ നിർവൃതി അടയും നീരോട്ടം കുറുമൊഴിയെങ്കിൽ പൂന്തോട്ടം കുറുനിരയെങ്കിൽ നിഴലാട്ടം വസന്തം ചിരിക്കും അരങ്ങിതിൽ തുളുമ്പുമി സംഗീതം ശ്രുതിമധുരം താളം ലയമധുരം നീ അതിമധുരം അഷ്ടമി പൂത്തിങ്കളേ ദസനിദ ധനിദ പദ ഗമ പനിദ നിദ പഗമ ഗമ പദ മബദസ പദ സരി ഗമ ഗമ ഗരിസനി ദസ ഗരിസ പദ ഡിസനി ഗമ നിദബം നിദബ സനിദ രിസനി ഗരിസ മഗരി ഗരിസ രിസനി സനിദ നിദബ ദബ മ പമ ഗമ ഗരി ഗരി സരി ഗമ ഗമ പമ പദ പദ സദ സരി ഗരി സനിദ ഗരി സനിദ രിസാനി ദബ രിസനി ദബ സനി ദബ മ പദ സരി ഗ അഷ്ടമി പൂത്തിങ്കളേ. I
am
would request,
my
I would,
husband again.
I would request Mr. Satyan, I mean Shyam Satyan to translate in Hindi, sir. I'm very poor in Hindi. Because of Hindi, I had to drop out from Kendriya
Mr.
Vidyalaya.
Sharma,
So I'm so sorry. My apology.
No,
Mr. Sharma, your voice is marvelous. It is really, really, it has touched our hearts. We are so glad that you are here with us today.
My pleasure, sir. But my daughter, she's busy in the office. Adesh, she would have entertained you in Hindi itself. She's
I'm
well
so
versed in
sorry.
Hindi,
I'm so
Tamil, and
sorry we
all the other
couldn't.
languages.
Yes, we couldn't accommodate her due to the time spells. I know that she's busy. If you have another song in your mind, please feel free to share even the second one with us.
now. In fact, not right now. Obviously, my husband is smitten with you, but there is one more person who is
No problem. I'll get back to you, sir. No problem.
no. In fact, as soon as Umehani has finished, we
Okay.
would love to hear your voice again once the prize distribution is done. Because
Very well.
I had promised everybody that 6:45 we will have the prizes announced. So before that, sorry, Kashif, I'm going to stop this here.
No,
Quite,
no,
quite
fine, fine.
understand.
Let us
Sorry.
respect the timings, madam.
Thank you. Thank
That's
you.
important. That's very important.
Thank you very much. We now would like to showcase Miss Umahani, who is a budding 15-year-old singer from the city of Chennai.
Wow,
She's
fantastic.
passionate about singing. Hi-Fi Network Hub is blessed to be part of her journey of growth. Over to you, Umehani. Sorry to have kept you waiting, bete. Umehani, are you still logged in?
Alifia is online. I'm not sure. Alifia ji, would you be able? Yes, she's unmuted herself. Is your niece here?
Hi, Rubina ma'am. Hi, everyone. Good evening to all of you. Yes, very happy to be connected with all of you at Hi-Fi Zone, and happy to share with you presenting my niece Mehani, and stage is all set for her today. Thank you so
Excellent.
much for
Please
all
go
your
ahead.
encouragement, and she's all yours.
मुझको भावे गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां यूं ही तड़पावे गलियां तेरी गलियां आज मैं ऊपर आसमान नीचे आज मैं आगे ज़माना पीछे समय खुदा अब मैं क्या करूं चलूं सीधी के आती चलूं आज मैं ऊपर आसमान नीचे दिल में चला जा ये लड़का हाय अल्लाह कैसा है दीवाना ये लड़का हाय अल्लाह कैसा है दीवाना कितना मुश्किल है तौबा इसको समझाना कि धीरे धीरे दिल बेकरार होता है होते 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 प्यार होता है हाँ ये लड़का हाय अल्लाह कैसा है दीवाना कितना मुश्किल है तौबा इसको समझाना चोरी चोरी किया रे दिल दिया रे चोरी चोरी किया रे दिल दिया रे जादू से जादू किया रे जादू सोई रहूं खोई रहूं उसके आंखों में उसकी बाहों में झूमे जिया वैसे किया रे 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 come on, it's on the radio. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, do my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor. Hit the dance floor, I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollars to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollars to have fun tonight. I don't need no money, as long as I can feel the way. I don't need no money, long as I can keep dancing. Come on, it's on the radio, it's Friday night, and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on, it's Friday night, and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Beta. We are so proud of Umehani for more reasons than one. She's really passionate about singing, and though I knew that I had to catch the words, but believe it or not, when you actually hear her sing on a recording, you really get goosebumps. She's not only as gorgeous as she looks, but her voice is really ethereal. Thank you so much, Beta, for taking the time off, practicing as much as you did, trying to accommodate whatever it was that we were requesting you to do. Thank you, Beta. God bless you. I hope to have your recordings put on the YouTube channel. Thank you again, Beta.